understanding, concerned over, an easy guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a commonly used English phrase, concerned over. This phrase is often used in both formal and informal settings, and understanding it can really help you in your English communication. Let's dive in. Concerned over is a phrase used to express worry, anxiety, or unease about something. It indicates that someone is troubled or preoccupied with a specific issue or situation. For example, the parents were concerned over their child's health. This means that the parents are worried about the health of their child. To understand better, let's look at some examples. 1. The teacher is concerned over the student's lack of interest in the subject. Here, the teacher is worried about the students not being interested in the subject. 2. Investors are concerned over the fluctuating stock market. In this case, investors are worried about the changes in the stock market. Understanding similar phrases can also help you expand your vocabulary. Phrases like worried about, anxious over, and troubled by convey similar meanings. For instance, she is anxious over her job interview. Similar to concerned over, they are troubled by the recent changes in policy. When using concerned over in conversation, it's important to relate it to a specific issue. For example, I am concerned over the delay in the project's completion. In a question, are you concerned over the new regulations? I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, concerned over, more confidently in your daily English conversations. Remember, practicing these phrases in sentences can really help solidify your understanding. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful English language tips. See you in the next video.